heart. Right side. Left side. Pulmonary valve. Right AV, transcupid valve. Aortic valve. Left AV, bicuspid valve. Respiratory system. Right lung. Left lung. Right bronchi, air passageway to the lungs. Left bronchi, air passageway to the lungs. Diaphragm separates thorax from abdomen. Trachea provides airflow for respiration. Liver. Left lobe. Right lobe. Coronary ligament. Gallbladder. Kidneys. Renal medulla, secrete urine. Renal pelvic, move urine out of the kidney. Brain. Cerebrum, performs higher functions like interpeding touch, vision, and hearing, as well as speech, reasoning, emotions, learning, and fine control of movements. Cerebellum, coordinate muscle movement, maintain posture and balance. Intestines. Large intestine absorbs water from waste, creating stool. Small intestine absorbs most of the nutrients from what we eat and drink. Rectum provides temporary storage for feces. Stomach. Stomach. It has 3 important parts. 1, to store the food. 2, to break down the food into liquid mixture. 3, empty the liquid into small intestine. Esophagus. Cardia, where the content of the esophagus empty into the stomach. Body, main central region. The pylorus facilitates emptying the content into the small intestine. Skeleton. Skeleton supports our body. It protects our body organs. Human skeleton has 206 bones. Skull. Clavicle. Sternum and rib cage. Humerus, radius, and ulna. Spine. Pelvis. Femur, tibia, and fibula.